Introducing Pebble Heaven, a new beginning, superhero abilities. With the Q to sprint ability, I feel like a superhero, jumping from rooftop to rooftop, hopping from building to building with ease. Want to experience what it's like to be a superhero? Come to Pebble Heaven, a new beginning. Link is in the description of the video. Once you're in the game, find and talk to a guy named Speedy, and he'll hook you up. With this new ability, it will be easy to explore every corner of the map. You'll find those turtles no matter where they hide. Another awesome ability that will make you feel like a superhero is the T to teleport ability. All I need to do is press the T key to teleport, and then choose where I want to teleport to. I feel like a wizard, able to disappear from one place and reappear at another location. With this ability, I can get to any place in a blink. To get this ability, you just need to find a guy named Blink, and he'll hook you up. Lastly, everyone now has the ability to show and hide your hotbar. Just press the H key to toggle your hotbar on and off. Alright everyone, come to Pebble Heaven, a new beginning, and check out your new superhero abilities. The link is in the description of the video. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next video.